All right, so we're on assignment 17 for pre-calculus. This is question number 9. The directions said to approximate all points on relative extrema of each function, then approximate the open intervals where the function is increasing and decreasing. So for number 9, there is no relative minimum just because the way it's drawn out, but there is a maximum. It's about right here at 0 and then negative 0.2, but if you just say 0, 0, that's fine because it's hard to tell from that graph exactly where it's at. Where is this graph increasing? Okay, so from negative infinity way over here, this graph starts increasing right here, going up, 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 as it's getting really close to negative 4, but doesn't actually touch negative 4. So that's why it's just a regular parenthesis right here, because it doesn't actually include negative 4. It's also increasing from negative 4 all the way till you get to 0 right here. So it's increasing, going up, 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 up. And then where is this graph decreasing? And so it switches from 0 going down, 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 all the way from 4 here. And it's also decreasing from 4 going down to negative infinity. All right.